Okay, Tamiya TT-02 class in the rain. You guys ready?
Yeah.
First rain race. 3 laps. On 3. 1, 2, 3. I did say 1, 2, 3. On 3. Sorry about that. That's second lap, and Sebastien is catching up. But this is the third lap, sorry. Oh, Seb did a mistake. And the blue car wins. Now we're gonna go on go. Racers ready? Yeah. On go. 1, 2, 3, go. Bumping is racing. Go, Seb. Whoa. Whoa. We're on third lap now. Third lap now. Last lap.
Oh my God.
That's it. 1-1. Okay, on go. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa, he did a stop and go. No, because he cut the corner, so he did a stop and go. If ever you cut the corner or... Oh! If you cut the corner, you got to do a stop and go just like you did. Seb, you kind of didn't cut the corner. Okay, go. Last lap. I know. You did a spin out and then you kind of went straight. That's okay. I know you didn't cut the corner, but... And that's the third lap. Or, yeah, this is the third lap, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah. Whoa! Whoa!
Oh my God, no way.
Hey, racers ready. John and Brandon. TT-02, on go. 1, 2, 3, go. If ever you cut a corner, you got to do a stop and go. How many laps is that?
You got me.
Okay. Second race, line up with the second race, switch spots, inside and outside.
And Jeeps.
Okay, on go. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa. John takes the lead. Thank you, Marshall. John's still in the league. This is the second lap. We're on our third lap. Is John going to make a mistake? Oh no, Brandon did.
One.
And 1-1. Swap places, inside and outside. Okay, on go. Racers ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, little jump the gun there.
A little bit. That's all right. Whoa! C'était cool avec le carré. Oh my god.
They're cutting the corners tight. Whoa! Now John's gonna have to push it. This is the last lap. Whoa! Oh, that was close.
Right on, man. Good race. Good race.
Marcel and Brandon in the losers bracket. Whoever wins comes back up. You guys ready? On go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, wait a minute. We got a problem. Looked like maybe the receiver got wet and it's not working anymore. We're gonna investigate. Turn it off and turn it back down. Oh, it's alive.
Did you say this is supposed to be both losers? Because Brandon won. Yeah, I thought he won. He did. Yeah. So
Brandon won?
Yes, Brandon won. So it should
Oh, wait.
John?
Okay, hold on.
Me against...
So I made a mistake. It was John and Brandon, John and Marcel in the losers bracket. So they're lining up. Okay, racers ready. On go. 1, 2, 3, go. John takes the lead. Rain has started to pick up. This is the last lap.
Oh! Nice little jump.
That's it. John takes the first one. And here comes Brandon. He's setting up for start again.
But Brandon's
Marcel, not Brandon. I'll get it right one of these days. By the end of the year, I should be good. Okay, second race. John and Marcel. Okay, on go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Whoa!
The two cars are blue. Whoa, riding the back. Whoa, spun out. That's it. John wins it. Marcel's eliminated. Sorry, Marcel. Better luck next time. It's not going. It has problem. You put dielectric grease around the receiver, but it's still not working. So we're looking into it, trying to make it go. As soon as he's going to put it on the ground, it's going to stop. Okay, so let's go before it stops. Brandon and Seb. On go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Dead? Oh no.
Okay, Sebastien wins that one. You want to try to fix it and try your second race? Okay, so you can't get it fixed? Okay, he's out. Sebastien, you win, you go ahead.
Yeah. Sunday, right?
Yeah. Okay, we got Seb and John. Seb hasn't lost, which means that John actually has to win 3 times.
Oh, 3 times.
Well, you got to win 2 times, but best out of 3. So you got to win twice. So this is best out of 3. If you win this one, you got to win again. Seb only has to win once. Is best out of 3.
So if you win once, you won.
Yes.
Like not one race, but like one.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
We had 1 leader. We had 1 car short out or something from the water. So.
Yeah. So this is the finals. Finals for Tamiyas. If Seb wins this best out of 3, he wins. If not, he goes to loser's bracket, comes back up, and gets to race again.
Good luck in cars.
Okay. Racers ready. On go. 1, 2, 3, go. Sebastien is in the lead. Can he do it without screwing up? Oh, John just did. The rain has let up, which is nice. But now the guys are used to driving in the rain, so that's going to make a big difference. This is the second lap, going on the last lap. Last lap of the best out of 3.
You got me.
So Seb won race 1, so he's got to win another race for the best out of 3. Okay, second race of best out of 3. Racers ready? On go. Go!
Oh, you nice inside line there.
Oh, that's close.
No.
This is the second lap. Oh. He did a stop and go. Last lap.
Oh my. Yeah. Oh,
He cut the corner, did a stop and go. That made John pass. Whoa! You had the chance. Okay, 1-1. So last race of best out of 3, tied 1-1. Marshall, thank you, Marshall. Doing a great job. Okay, last race of best out of 3. If Seb wins it, he wins it. If not, we do another best out of 3. Racers ready, on go. 1, 2, 3, go.
He's faster than.
He should be a little bit faster because he's got the 22 pitch and you got 19. Because yours was a stock rally. The rally comes with a 19 pitch and a 17, so we put the 19. And he's got a 22 pitch. So on the straightaway, you're going to be faster. No, he's going to be faster on the straightaway, but you have more torque to take off. Is this the last one? Do you know?
No, I don't know.
One more time.
They're doing one more lap.
No.
Ah! I'm not sure. Let me go on the replay and see if that was 3 laps or 4.
Yeah.
Okay, so they did do 4 laps. So we did a review, and Sebastien did win on the 4th. So good job, guys. Good race.
Good job.
TT-02's done. Get your Kyoshos ready. We're driving Kyoshos now.
First win with this car.
Next, Kyosho.
Hey, where's